The SAP community brings together people from all around the world, including SAP customers, partners, employees, and other industry experts. When your readers find your content valuable, they will share your posts with their own networks. By learning how to write for your audience, you will help your blog posts to reach more people, gain more traction and engagement. Follow this list of best practices to create blog posts that resonate with our members and avoid common pitfalls. Our readers enjoy posts that teach them how to do something or share lessons learned. They want content that feels valuable and thorough without being so detailed that it loses their attention. Also, please keep in mind our rules of engagement, ensuring that your content is original and does not constitute plagiarism, harassment, or spam. Finally, posts that point to other content that is only accessible by signing up or paying for a service is not allowed.